the land of good deeds, the land of treasure. Its people armed themselves with sincerity and diligent work to harness its abundant resources to suffice them, generation after generation. In 1981, the renaissance of clean energy began in Egypt with the pursuit of optimal utilization of natural gas, when the Ministry of Petroleum assigned to the Egyptian Petrogas Company delivering natural gas to homes in Cairo Governorate in cooperation with the British William Press Company under the supervision of British Gas. Then comes the year 1983, when the Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources overtook the most important step in the process by nationalizing the company to become the first pure Egyptian national company to be called Egypt Gas. Since its inception in 1983, Egypt Gas has worked hard to preserve one of the most important resources of Egypt: natural gas, and its delivery to every part of the homeland to revitalize life in those areas and give warmth to homes and clean energy to operate vehicles. From this point on, Egypt Gas has succeeded to become a model to spread the spirit of patriotism and diligence through a conscious national investment in its workers, who were trained with the latest technical and administrative techniques, and thus gaining tribute and praise from everyone. The great national role of Egypt Gas Company was the implementation of the national plan to expand the use of natural gas for homes, commercial and industrial facilities, power stations, and compressed natural gas delivery stations for cars. In light of the Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources vision to develop the petroleum sector and expand the provision of various and new petroleum services to the Egyptian citizen, as well as contributing to solve the unemployment problem and keeping pace with the global markets, Egypt Gas took a new national position by contributing with the establishment of national companies starting in 1995, such as Cargas, Gastec, Gasco, Petroment, Cianco, Butagasco, Town Gas, Petrotrade, and Gascool Company. And today, Egypt Gas has succeeded, with the determination and diligence of its sons, to become the largest company working in the field of operating, managing, and maintaining natural gas distribution networks in the Middle East and Africa, following international standards in all work stages, from designing, selecting the best materials and equipment, and the latest implementation, control, and inspection techniques to achieve the highest levels of quality and safety of the work environment. The last of which was the establishment of EGIFCO in contribution with George Fisher of Switzerland and Chorus of United Arab Emirates to produce polyethylene pipes for the use in gas and water networks with the latest international manufacturing technology. Egypt Gas believes in its role in achieving the vision of the Ministry of Petroleum by participating in the construction of new cities to achieve a better future for all Egyptians with the arms of its trained workers. Egypt Gas succeeded to deliver natural gas to the new administrative capital, the new city of Mansoura, and major expansion projects. His Excellency the Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources has set a new challenge and an ambitious plan to double the work of delivering natural gas to homes from previous years. To reach 1,200,000 customers annually, Egypt Gas, as usual, was ready to play its great national role. So it implemented a huge bulk of the plan so far and is willing to continue until it reaches its goal. During the last decade, Egypt Gas has developed itself in various areas including the implementation of all civil and construction works, steel lines for various purposes, networks of other facilities, maintenance, and redevelopment works for oil and marine platforms within Egypt and abroad, as an integrated contracting company. After that comes the year 2020, the year of challenges, which is the year of renewal and change, in which the company added to its pioneering role of delivering natural gas to homes by expanding the delivery of natural gas to cars as an environmentally and consumer-friendly fuel, through implementing all the civil and construction works needed within the framework of the national plan, under the patronage of His Excellency, President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, the President of Egypt. Adding to the giant capabilities of Egypt Gas, it had the biggest share in the implementation of the installation works for the Protected Agricultural Houses project in the village of Lahon in the Governorate of Fayoum on an area of 16,000 acres. A new era and a new challenge accepted by Egypt Gas, embodied in its accumulated experience and the desire to develop its capabilities to launch to new horizons and markets outside of Egypt, Jordan, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Saudi Arabia, under the patronage of the Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources. Egypt Gas is a great school that brought thousands of national workers to the service of their country and will continue to be a pride for the Egyptian oil sector. Egypt Gas, a legacy from the past that paves the way to a bright future.